Melos viper. I would say she or he is probably about 1 metre long. I think she's just fed on some large water frogs here, just chilling. I've been watching her for a while. She hasn't tried to attack me. Strange that, no internet likes there, but I'd much rather just sit and watch a viper in peace than freak it out. Look at that beast, so cryptic, beautiful. Show you the habitat. So we've got a nice pond area here. It's got pond turtle, Melos water frog, Melos grass snake, and then up here we've got the lizards, Melos wall lizard,